Welcome back to another Spotify Camp Nou Construction update. Today, we're taking a closer look at the most important developments across the stadium, where several areas continue to move forward with noticeable progress. From structural work and decorative facade preparations to new construction inside the stadium, every update brings Barcelona's future home another step closer to completion. Construction activity remains strong throughout the stadium, with multiple lifting platforms operating across different sections. Crews continue working on the substructures, preparing them for the next phase of facade installation. In the background, the future FC Barcelona Megastore is becoming increasingly active, with both interior and exterior work progressing steadily. One section of the stadium has already received its decorative lamellas, while another nearby area is still waiting for installation. A large number of lamellas are already stored at ground level, indicating that crews are preparing to begin installing them on the upper sections of the facade in the near future. The first diamond structure shows no significant changes since the previous update. However, around the north goal corner and the connection with the main stand, work continues to advance. Inside the VIP area, blue protective coverings have been installed, suggesting that interior work is progressing while protecting completed sections. The upper section of one of the lateral diamond structures is now almost completely enclosed. The second diamond continues developing as surrounding framework and enclosure elements gradually take shape. Nearby, finishing work is advancing, while freshly painted surfaces indicate that preparation work continues even though major visible changes remain limited. The final diamond structure on the opposite side still has considerably more work ahead compared to the others. Although progress here is slower, crews continue preparing the area for future construction phases. One of today's biggest developments is the start of wall construction using concrete blocks. This marks another important milestone, as work is no longer focused only on steel structures, but is also moving into interior building construction. Several stadium cores have now been enclosed with sandwich panels, giving these sections a much more finished appearance. While some cores are already covered, others are still awaiting panel installation, showing that this phase is continuing progressively across different parts of the stadium. The decorative lamellas continue to transform the exterior appearance of Spotify Camp Nou. As more sections receive these facade elements, the stadium is increasingly beginning to resemble its final architectural design. The future FC Barcelona Megastore is becoming busier every day. Interior activity continues with numerous workers inside, while construction materials remain stored outside, reflecting steady progress as this important commercial area moves closer to completion. Around the main stand, preparations continue for the installation of the compression ring. Large quantities of construction materials are now visible throughout the area, including massive steel beams, structural columns, and specialized components that will support the next stages of roof construction. Crews have made significant progress installing additional substructures that will support future decorative lamellas. More materials have also been delivered and organized across the site, ensuring that upcoming installation work can continue efficiently. The official FC Barcelona store has also unveiled the club's new kit. Its design is inspired by the decorative lamellas that are now being installed around Spotify Camp Nou, creating a direct visual connection between the team's future home and its latest jersey. Overall, today's update highlights steady progress across multiple areas of Spotify Camp Nou, from expanding substructures and decorative facade installation to new concrete walls, sandwich panels, compression ring preparations, and ongoing work inside the future FC Barcelona Megastore. The transformation of the stadium continues at an impressive pace. While some sections are advancing faster than others, every completed milestone brings Barcelona closer to reopening one of the world's most iconic football stadiums.